Okay, does your car not turn on because the battery inside your key fob has depreciated, declined, and the battery is no longer working? Well, you can buy a new battery, take this apart and get a little circle battery. It's a little 32. I got a spare one here. It is it's a Toyota RAV4 2010. But for this particular vehicle, it's a CR1632. It won't focus, but CR1632. So, but if it doesn't work, you can still turn on your car by put your foot on the brake like you usually do, and then that may turn green. It should turn green. Put your key fob against this and push with your key fob, and that'll turn it on. So if the battery is depleted in here, you can still turn on the vehicle by pushing with your key fob, pushing the engine start stop. Just push it in with this. It's a little safety feature. Now if that doesn't work for you, for your vehicle, you may have a separate little area, like it may be right here where you stick the key fob in. It might be in here, around there. It depends on your vehicle, but there is a place where you can stick your key fob in. It'll turn on. But this way, I just push this with that, and it worked. So that's how you turn your vehicle on if your key fob battery is depleted. So this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day.